Welcome viewers, welcome to our drawing tutorial. Today we shall learn how to draw a mouth-watering pizza. Start by drawing a large oval shape for the pizza crust. Next, add some irregular shapes around the crust for the melted cheese. Draw a circle in the middle of the crust for the tomato sauce. Now let's add toppings. Draw some small circles for pepperoni slices. You can also draw squares for bell peppers and triangles for mushrooms. Add some lines for texture to make the toppings look more realistic. Don't forget to draw some basil leaves for extra flavor. Now let's add some shading to make our pizza look even more delicious. Shade the crust with light brown and the cheese with a creamy yellow. Use darker shades for the pepperoni and veggies to add depth. Blend the colors smoothly to create a mouth-watering effect. Add some highlights with a white pencil to make the cheese look gooey. You can also add a shadow underneath the pizza to make it pop. Now our pizza drawing is almost complete. Let's add some final details. Draw some bubbles in the cheese and sauce for a realistic touch. Don't forget to add your signature to the drawing to make it your own. I hope you enjoyed following along with this easy drawing tutorial. Remember, practice makes perfect. So keep drawing and improving your skills. Thanks for watching.